this is Charity. It's been a while since we've been down to the garden, so walk with me down to the garden and we'll see how it's doing. We've had a few days of rain. My husband, the pastor, cut down a tree that was interfering with the gutters. We got to get it cleaned up. Yep, I'll make my way down here to the front. Sorry about that. That was neighbors going by. He mowed not too long ago, but it's starting to look like it needs to be mowed again. We did have a couple days of rain. My wood pile's getting a little bigger. There's still yet more up in the field that needs to be got up. They just been pulling them to the side to cut later. Pull them out right now. Now we'll go up here and see how the garden's going. Oh, wow, y'all. They loved all that rain. Look at this. Look how big these plants have gotten.
Can I have the tiny shovel?
And apparently I got some poison oak trying to come in. Oh, hey, look. We got some blooms on our tomatoes. Look at there. There's a flower there. There. Yeah, that's a hose to water it. I ain't had to water it for a couple of days because we had quite some rain. There's another bloom. Now look at all these beans. I'll have to get rid of that poison oak over there on the house. Now, poison oak don't usually bother me, but it does bother my husband, so I need to try to get rid of that before it becomes a problem. But look at all the beans. Wow, they loved all that rain we had. I have to come out here and water it this afternoon after church when we get back, when it's a little bit cooler. Alrighty, we will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.